I guess in terms of what's exciting, I don't know, I think, have any of you seen that meme that is saying that Mother Earth has basically sent us to our room to have a think about what we've done?
Yeah.
I think that really speaks to me. It's very, I think we really have to set a reset button and think about what our individual impact is on the world, through this with, flights being cancelled, and we really are going to be leaving a much lighter footprint over the next few months, and I think it's just given the world a chance to sit back and breathe. I think it's also made us all think about the individual impact that we can have, and I think it'll change a lot of mindsets when we come out of the back of this. So I think that's really exciting, particularly with this sort of project. There's an opportunity when people are going to be thinking differently to sort of be on the forefront of that storytelling and engaging them to make good decisions for themselves and the world.